Post-Mendelian concepts. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the post-Mendelian concepts of heredity. Have you ever visited a dairy farm? If yes, you would have noticed that each cow had different skin color: brown, white, or a mixture of both white and brown. What could be the reason behind this mixed skin coloration? In olden days, people believed that this mixed color was due to some disease. But the fact is that when you cross a brown and a white colored cow, there are possibilities for the calf to be brown or white or a combination of both brown and white. This mixed coloration is due to the genetic factors that were discovered by Gregor Mendel during 1900s. Following Mendel's discovery, many concepts based on Mendelian genetic theories were proposed by various scientists. These concepts were collectively known as post-Mendelian concepts. Now, let us dive deep into the concepts for better understanding. The post-Mendelian concepts include incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allele, linkage, lethal genes, gene interactions, pleiotropic gene effects, polygenes, environmental effects, cytoplasmic inheritance. Incomplete dominance. When a dominant allele is only partially expressed, resulting in an offspring with an intermediate phenotype. When Mendel experimented with the garden pea plants for certain characters, he observed that one allele dominated the other, indicating the phenomenon of complete dominance. However, after a few years, incomplete dominance was also observed by him. This concept of incomplete dominance can be explained using a monohybrid cross involving Mirabilis jalapa plants, which is commonly known as the 4 o'clock flower. According to Mendel, the crossing of red and white Mirabilis jalapa plants will produce offspring that bears either red or white colored flowers. But in reality, such a crossing produced pink colored flowers in the F1 generation. Further, when the F1 generations were self-pollinated, the offspring of the F2 generation produced red, pink and white plant in the ratio 1:2:1. In the case of incomplete dominance, the ratio of genotype and phenotype remains the same. However, in a dihybrid cross involving two pairs, where one pair is completely dominant and the other pair is incompletely dominant, the phenotypic ratio is 6:3:3:2:1:1 and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. Codominance. According to Mendel's law of dominance, one dominant allele dominates the recessive allele in the F1 generation. But in codominance, the dominant allele and the recessive allele express their characters equally. In this case, both the alleles are active and produce active protein expressing their characters. A classic example for codominance is the AB blood group. Here, one dominant allele IA producing antigen A and another dominant gene IB producing antigen B in a heterozygotic condition. IA-IB produce their respective antigens denoted as the AB blood group. So, both the alleles are expressed in the phenotype. Multiple alleles. When more than two alleles code for a particular characteristic in a species, it is known as multiple alleles. Mendel's observation was based on the existence of two alleles for a gene. Lately, the multiple allelic concepts have been identified, although only two alleles can coexist in a diploid cell at a given time. Example, multiple alleles of ABO blood group system in humans. Coat color in many species. Eye color in Drosophila. Linkage, the tendency for two or more non-allelic genes to be inherited together because they are located more or less closely on the same chromosome. Gregor Mendel observed and proposed the independent assortment of genes but did not propose the concept of linkage. Later, in 1906, William Bateson and Reginald Crundle Punnett witnessed the concept of linkage in sweet pea. In 1910, Thomas Hunt Morgan elucidated that Drosophila had the capacity to inherit in groups. Later, in 1922, Claude B. Hutchison observed that the genes responsible for two distinct characters of maize plants were located in chromosome 9. Lethal genes. When a gene in a homozygous condition causes death or results in the mutation of its carrier, it is known as lethal genes. Mendelian concepts previously explained the equal survival of all the genotypes. However, the concept of lethal genes was not observed by Mendel. Lethal alleles were first discovered by Lucien Kinot in 1905 while studying the inheritance of coat color in mice. Lethal genes have been reported in both the plants and the animals where the presence of these genes modified the normal segregation ratio from 3:1 to 2:1. The lethal alleles can be dominant, recessive, or conditional based on the involved genes. Example of lethal genes: the coat color of mice. The gene of yellow-colored coat is dominant than the gene of grey-colored coat. When yellow and grey colors were crossed, it resulted in the formation of yellow and grey-colored mice in the ratio 2:1. In this cross, the yellow mice are always heterozygous due to homozygous lethality. Gene interactions. It is denoted as the dependence of one allele on another specific allele located in some other gene pair. Initially, Mendel observed a ratio of 9:3:3:1 in the F2 generation during a dihybrid cross. Later, William Bateson and Reginald Crundle Punnett discovered the phenomenon of gene interactions by crossbreeding sweet pea plants. As per Mendel's observation, the ratio of F2 generation was modified as 9:7, 9:3:4, 12:3:1, 13:3:15:1 and 9:6:1 for different crop plants. The gene interactions can be categorized as intragenic and intergenic. Intragenic interaction is the cross between the same types of genes, while the intergenic interaction involves the crossing of two different types of genes. Pleiotropic gene effects. When one gene controls one or more unrelated phenotypic characters, it is denoted as pleiotropy. In contrast to the Mendelian principles, James Campanella and Jutta Ludwig Müller observed that multiple characters can be controlled by a single gene. Example: white eye allele in Drosophila, wherein the allele controls the shape of spermatheca, fertility, eye color, and testicular membrane. Polygene, a group of genes that control a single character, is known as polygene. But according to Mendel, each character of the pea plant was controlled by a single gene. Later, in 1910, Nilsson L. observed that each character can be controlled by two or more genes. However, when observed individually, each gene had very little effect on the characters. In 1916, Edward Murray East provided an explanation to the polygenic inheritance covenant to the Mendelian concepts. Further, mathematical model for polygenic inheritance was provided by Civil Wright and Ronald Fisher. Environmental effects. The concept was first recognized by Wilhelm Johnson, who proposed the terms phenotype and genotype. This concept deals with the interaction of a gene with the environment, which results in phenotypic variations in an organism. Cytoplasmic inheritance. When the inheritance is controlled by cytoplasmic factors or genes, it is called as cytoplasmic inheritance. The concept was first reported in Mirabilis jalapa plants by C. Conans in 1909. Since the discovery of the post-Mendelian concepts, the approach of the scientists towards various studies had changed completely.
Summary.
Mirabilis jalapa plants were used to explain the concept of incomplete dominance through monohybrid crossing. Mendel proposed the independent assortment of genes but did not propose the concept of linkage. Environmental effect deals with the interaction between a gene and the environment and the resulting changes in the phenotypic characters of an organism.